a dumbbell rear fly. Now this gets the back of your shoulder and even some of your mid back. All right, so this is getting your post delt, all right, or your posterior deltoid, whatever you like to call it, right? It's the back of the shoulder, all right? And there's been a lot of emphasis around this muscle because that's what really helps create that 3D look of boulder shoulders or pumpkin delts, whatever you like to call them. I like to call them pumpkin delts. I'm like, let's go. But how do you do this? Okay, well, a dumbbell rear fly, you're going to be in a bent over position. Okay, start out with a light weight. I'm talking like 2.5 to 5 pounds. All right, start out with a lightweight because it is such an awkward movement and that muscle is small. Just start out a little bit lighter, okay? Now there's two ways that your hands can be, okay? So they can either be facing each other, right? So palms are facing each other, or they can be pinkies out because you're fancy, right? Pinkies out, okay? So they could either be like this or like this, okay? So this way, right, pinkies out is going to be harder just because of the leverage that you have with turning your arm, all right? So if you're wanting to lift a little bit heavier weight, go palms facing each other, okay? So here's what it looks like. So I'm going to be bent over, all right, bent over, and I'm going to do palms facing, bent over, palms facing each other, and then I bring my hands out to the side and then back down. I try to control it on the way down, okay? So that's the key. Control it on the way down. Pinkies out, all right? So I'm right here, pinkies out. Same thing, all right? I come up and back down. Now I'm trying to come out to a T, all right? Coming out to a T. I'm not going back. I'm going straight up, back down, straight up, back down. So two common form mistakes that I usually see is one, people aren't keeping their cores nice and tight, all right? They look like this, they're bent over, their backs are rounded, and then there's just no core stability. So tighten up your core, push your butt back, okay? Making sure that your spine is stable, all right? That your core is nice and tight, and then you would go into your rear fly. The second common thing is people aren't bent over enough, okay? A lot of the times we get tired, all right, we get tired and then we start to come up and then it turns into a lateral raise, right? So whereas we want to be right here, we end up coming up right here, all right? And we're not getting that post delt that we want, all right? So make sure you keep your core tight. Chest is parallel with the ground, so then you can come up and you can fly, baby. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you found this valuable, if this helped you in any way, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow along for the journey. Other than that, have a wonderful day, and don't forget to be strong, work hard, and live your adventure. See ya.